In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a Google Map to your Wix website using Wix's built-in Google Maps element. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional map on your site, easily directing visitors to your business or any location you choose. So let's dive straight into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Wix account. Once you've done that, go ahead and open your website in the Wix editor. The editor is your main toolkit, providing all the options you'll need to design and modify your site. It's a user-friendly space where you can visually build up the site as you envision it. Now, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This menu is crucial as it hosts various powerful features to enhance your website. You'll want to click on Add, which is represented by a plus sign. After clicking there, a submenu appears. Navigate to Embed and then select Google Maps. If you prefer, you can type Map in the search bar there for a quicker find. Once you've selected Google Maps, you'll notice a map box appears right on your page. Don't worry if it's not exactly where you want it to be at first. Click on this map box to select it. This action will open up the map settings, allowing you to customize the map to suit your needs. Within the settings, you'll see a field where you can type in your address or the specific location that you want to mark on your site. This is a fantastic feature if you're running a local business or an event and need to direct visitors with ease. Once your location is set, it's time to fine-tune the visual aspects of your map. You have the option to adjust the zoom level, letting you decide how closely or broadly the map will display your chosen area. Additionally, you can switch the map type between a standard road map and a satellite view, depending on your preference or what you believe will best aid your site's visitors. The next step is purely cosmetic, but just as important: resizing and positioning your map. Click and drag the map to place it within your desired layout on the page. You can resize it by dragging the corners of the map box to make it larger or smaller, ensuring it integrates well with your site's overall look and design. With these simple steps, you've effectively embedded a Google Map onto your Wix website. It's a great way to improve user experience by providing your audience with clear visual directions to your location. Feel free to preview your site to see how the map looks live and make any additional tweaks if necessary. Thanks for following along and happy site building.